Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So, as you see, guys, here what I told you yesterday. The last video is still in the channel. What did I told you? You can even go back and watch it. What me I said here. I told you that green candle, that one is the Monday candle. What did I told you? Today is going to happen a rejection down. What's happening here? What that candle here indicating to you guys. Let's zoom it a little bit. What that candle here, that one, guys, it's indicating to you. The market, it started falling down, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. It came up till here. Now it's falling down. Now here in the daily, guys, it might that one to come here and to show you like that. To give you here like that and like that. A doji or something. Because till now it's left for the candle a lot of hours. It's about 8 hours, guys, to finish. So here in the daily, guys, there is nothing confirmed. It's still very, 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 very early, guys. Look at it. I show you those things thousands of times, guys. I told you those ones. It doesn't come even here. It needs to come here to break for us. If it doesn't in the daily, also we are not going to enter. And I repeat it for people, they said, depending your trading style. If you are a long-term investor, follow only the daily. If you are a swing trader, you want to enter 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, depending on a move like that, 4 hours. If you are a scalper and day trader, 30 minutes. Are you going to tell me why 30 minutes in Bitcoin, not 5 minutes? Because Bitcoin, there is no earning a lot like Forex or something like that. Because Bitcoin, if it's moved from here till here, you will not earn that much compared to the Forex, guys. Plus, the leverage in the Bitcoin, guys, is not that much. Bitcoin in the leverage in Bitcoin is only 3 or 10. That's the only brokers may know. If you know a broker give you more than that, write it for us down in a comment. I know the CFDs, yes, they give you more than that. But me, I'm talking about normal brokers. So everything is too clear here. So here in the daily, guys, it's still very, very, very early for us thinking the market is going to reverse. Look at that. I show you all those things thousands of times, but look at them now. We haven't even break here. There is some people they saying it's breaking. There is no breaking yet. So we're still in a downtrend, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicators, what they're saying for pictures to be more clear to you. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about the Bitcoin doing right now. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. Just a red button down, click at it. It will become gray, subscribe. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. It's very easy peasy, as we said, lemon squeezy. Everything is too clear, guys. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is it down in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. Let's go now to see our indicators, what they're saying for pictures to be more clear to you guys. That one here, it's still here in the middle. That man, both of them here, buyers and sellers, they are equal, or bulls and bears, they are equal. So here in the daily, there is nothing. Everything's still the same. Also, we still here in the daily in a downtrend. Yes, the volume is very low, but also we still in a downtrend, guys. I told you all those things before, and the volume is still very, very, very low here in the daily, guys. There is no big volume. Everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, it's still in his place. We told you those things thousands of times. We got here a divergence, guys, like that, and we show you all those things. But shall we enter now? No, my friend, not yet, because the only price action we have is that one. It hasn't been broken, guys. And here, yes, here he tried to give us here a cup and handle, but it's not yet confirmed. It doesn't come even to the top of it. It needs to come to the top of it and to break it by a candle like that. That when also we know the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. But till now there is nothing confirmed. Also we still in a downtrend, guys. It might that one, as I tell it to you, is going to be the bottom, or another story, it might that one here where we are, it just a rest in place. Then you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for swing traders to know what they do. By the way, I know you are subscribers. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, helping us. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Helping us. You know that channel without you, my friend, it can grow enough. Yes, you. That channel without you, it can grow enough. So try to helping us, guys. It's very simple. Also, we don't ask you for donation or to give us money. Also, we just asking you to smash the like button down to write a comment. And if you could share the video on social media or anywhere, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys and all the support I get from you guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go into the 4 hours. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. 4 hours is our friend. Here we enter long. People, they've been with us for some time. We enter long here because of that challenge. When that candle here breaking, also we enter. We put stop loss down here. Bitcoin fall down till here. Yesterday here in that place, I told you take some of the profit, guys. Here, exactly I tell it to you. Yes or no? I told you in that place here, take some of the profit. And here what you seeing, guys, without to go back to the past or something, what you see in here. It couldn't break here. And that 4 hours candle here, it's showing it's breaking down, guys. Now what the Bitcoin is going to do? I think we are going to fall down, guys, because the 200 moving average here is telling you also we are in a sideways and the volume is very, very dry, guys. There is no big people, they buying no big players in the market, and everyone is still looking at the market. How is it? And today, Monday, will make things make you to laugh. If you see the energy now or European gas, now you're going to find it fall down. It's when the European Union defend the place where you get the gas. That just market makers place, guys. You know what I'm saying or no? That just market makers play. Monday they always doing what against what the market is going to do all the whole week. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what you've seen. We're drawing the one here. He came, he touched it here. Look at it. He just touched it here in that place. Look at it how it's falling, guys. Yes or no? And that one, where we get it from? That one here, where we get it from? Where we get it? From the last peak when last time we enter here, we told you to enter short. People they been with us, we enter short in that one us. From that peak, we draw it here and here and here. Now, it touching here. As you see it, guys. Touch there, it started falling. Yes or no, guys? He just came here, he touched here, it started falling. Now, where we are? We are in that middle wall. Also we got now either from that level here, you're going to see it going up again and to break for you the last high. Then you're going to confirm you are in an uptrend, guys. But it need to break for you the last high, which is that one. Because me, as I'm looking at it, a wave. That one here is the low. Then I make it like that. That's the high. Over here, the low. Here, he couldn't break the last high, guys. Yes or no? When he couldn't break the last high, what that meant? That meant there is a big falling coming, guys. And that's what me I told it to you before. I told you there is a big falling coming, guys. I'll show you historical, I'll show you everything, guys. But after that big dip, you're going to see a big pump upside, guys. Now, as I tell it to you, he came here. He needs from here to come to break for us that one. If it doesn't, it just came like that. Then he break down. You know it is going to fall down, guys. And I'm going to come back to update you guys when the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when also we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, it came here. If I zoom it, it's going to show us it's become green here. Let me zoom it a little bit like that. As you see it, guys. It came here. It showed a little bit of greenish there. Should you enter short now? No, my friend, not yet. That one, it might from here to go back more up to the overbought area, guys. And also we enter long here because we be in here at the oversold area, guys. And we got a price action here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. And that was me, I told you. Also, we are professional people, guys. That's our job. People, they been following us. We're making very, very, very decent profit only from here till here. Here. Let me show it to you. Here, being at the oversold, here in that place, also we bring like that, and we draw in here a trend line like that. When it's breaking here, we enter long, guys. Another time here. Actually, that one we don't enter in the chart. Then here, down when we been at the oversold, we draw it like that, a trend line like that. We used to have here a head and shoulder. Then also we enter. We take profit here. Exactly that one, me I remember it very, very, very well. We take profit here in that peak. Then last week from here, we enter short because we used to have here a W. It's still there, guys. We take profit here. Then that week, we enter from here. That one we enter in it in Friday or Thursday or something like that. I forget the day exactly. We enter from here and now we take profit, guys. That's how also we making profit. We don't care what the market doing. And here in 4 hours, guys, what we got? We said it thousands of times, but it's okay to repeat it. What we got? We got here a wage, guys. And as you see, Bitcoin here, he came here, he couldn't break. Now he showed there a rejection. Now it needs to break either up or either down, guys. That's for 4 hours, guys. It needs to break either up or either down. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Oh, sweet. Taking some profit, smaller profit, and for long term, it's just DCA, guys. We forget about the rest. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. The last video, what did I told you here? What did I told you? Like that, I tell it to you. I told you got here a triangle. If it's breaking down, you enter short. Where it's breaking? It's breaking here. Let's zoom it a little bit for us to see it very, very, very clear, guys. The last video, you can find it even still in the channel, guys. Here, I told you, got here a triangle like that. Yes or no? I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short. Where it's breaking? It's breaking here in that candle, guys. Yes or no? Why I told you to enter short? Because of our indicator. What our indicator is saying now, guys. Look at it. Here, also we tell you to enter looking for short opportunity, and we show you the price action, we show you everything. Now, where is the indicator? It's near to the oversold, and here we are very close to the 200 moving average, guys. Yes or no? Now, if you are very, very conservative, you start taking some profit and you move the stop loss a little bit down to be in the safe side. If you want more, you wait till it enter here to the oversold, then you take the profit, guys. Then by night, when we're going to come back to you after the daily candle finishes, we're looking for a buy opportunity if we find it at the oversold area, guys. Me, I'm talking here about scalpers, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finishes, guys. Bye for now.